welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a collaboration here, John Legend and Saweetie. The song is called All She Wanna Do. So this is pretty much a straightforward song with 4 chords, and I'm gonna give you 4 alternative chords as well, which is used in the later parts of the song. So yeah, let's start right away. We have the capo here on the 1st fret, and we will learn G, E minor, C, and D. That's the main chords for the song. So let's start with G. We have 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Then E minor next. That is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. C, 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Alright, so these 4 chords in that order will go through the entire song. Except from the last part, it goes up a little bit there in the end. So if you want to do that, if you're going to play exactly as this song goes, then you need to learn another 3 chords for this one. Or you can just stick with these 4 chords and just continue in the same way. It's up to you, but I'm going to give you the chords, the extra chords anyway. So we will go on here with A, that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. We have the F sharp minor. That's a bar here on the 2nd fret, all strings. And the rest will be 4th on A and 4th on D. And the final chord we need for this extra thing here will be E. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. Alright, so there we have all the tools we need. So let's start with the song, and it goes in the same chord progression through the entire song here if we stick to these first 4 chords, G, E minor, C, and D. So the first verse is just 1 down per chord for 1 round. So long breaks between the chords like this. C and D. And that is the first verse. Then starts the pre-chorus. Okay, here you will continue with 1 down, but in the song there's 4 very prominent claps. So you can do them if you want. I illustrated that in the introduction of this tutorial. So you will just continue with G, 1 down, and then you clap 4 times after this chord, and then in same with all chords there, E minor, C, and D. What I do when I clap, I hit just the E string up here in the bass, because I want the sound to ring out. I don't want to kill it in the first clap and then it's quiet, okay? So clap, if you do that, 4 claps, just hit this E string. So it will sound like this. And that is the pre-chorus. You can just stick with the downs with the claps, it's up to you. So from now on, from the chorus and almost till the end of the song, you will use this strumming pattern. Okay, you will actually use the strumming pattern, but with these 4 chords, you will play them almost till the end. So 1 round of this strumming pattern will sound like this, and we will illustrate it with G. That's the first chord. Okay, so that is down, clap, then down, up, down, clap. So down, clap, down, up, down, clap. You do that 2 rounds per chord. So down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down, clap, down, up, down, clap. Then E minor. Down, up, down, clap, down, clap, down, clap. C. with that till about 2 minutes and 35 seconds into the song. There, you will just do one down per chord, still the same chords, G, E minor, C and D. Okay, so one round of this chord progression with one down. And then it continues with the strumming. But from there on, you will strum the new chords if you wish, or you can just stick with this G minor, C, D. But with the new chords, the chord progression will be A minor, F sharp, then D, and E. And I believe there's just about 1 or 2 rounds in the end there, and that's it. That's the end of the song. So understand, you can just skip these chords and just go E minor with the G minor, C, and D, and you're set for the song. So that pretty much covers John Legend's and Saweetie's All She Wanna Do. So good luck with this uplifting song, and see you soon, guys. Play tuned.